Good morning, children. Have you all read the poem? It's only a 6-line poem, very small, short poem, and I hope all have copied these answers with reference to the context and studied it also. Very easy to study also. Very small answers I am giving you. So copy everything correctly and study it well. Now we move on to answer these questions. Exercise C. Where does the eagle usually rest? Now when you read the poem, you all must have understood. Where does the eagle usually rest? Always the eagle rests on top of the mountain or a hill. And which line from the poem tells us so? He watches from his mountain wall. That line shows that the eagle is resting on the mountain top and watching what is happening down. 2. Which lines in the poem tell us that the eagle is perched quite high? That which line in the poem tell us that the eagle is perched quite high means he is sitting right on top, very high. That is which line? Close to the sun in lonely lands. You remember the line close to the sun in lonely land. That shows that the eagle is very high. Now which lines in the poem tell us that the eagle is patient and vigilant? That is, the eagle is waiting patiently and watching from his mountain top what is happening down, whether he can get something to eat, whether he can catch any small bird for its food. That is, he watches from his mountain wall and like a thunderbolt he falls. So as soon as he sees that there is a small chicken or there is a small baby chick down there, he comes swooping down to catch its prey. 4th one, what does the eagle do after spotting its prey from the mountains? So after he sees that the prey is down there, that there is one bird or something for its food, what does he do? He comes swooping down and like a thunderbolt he falls. He comes down very quickly and catches its prey. Now there is one think and answer. Is the eagle really close to the sun? Why do you think so? Now do you think that the eagle is close to the sun? Do you think? No, we cannot think that the eagle is close to the sun. It is only because the eagle is flying very high in the air, very high up in the air, that we feel, the poet is telling, we feel that the eagle is close to the sun. Now one fun time is there. Note the rhyming words and write the rhyme scheme of the poem. I will be sending you all the picture of all that, children. The rhyming words in this poem, 6 lines also, there are three rhyming words. In the first stanza you look, hands, lands, stands. Same sound is coming, hands, lands and stands. And the next 3 lines also, crawls, walls, falls. So those are the rhyming words in the poem. Now exercise F, you see the words clasp the crag with crooked hands is an example of alliteration. Now what is alliteration? Alliteration is the repetition of the same letter. For example, clasp the crag with crooked hands. That is, C is repeated. The first letter is repeated in 3 places in that line. So here find another instance of alliteration in the poem. Lonely lands. Starting with L, the letter L is repeated in lonely and in lands. It is coming as one word in the poem, lonely lands. Now G, find lines in the poem which convey that, number 1, the eagle is a solitary creature. Solitary creature means lonely. It has no friends. 2, the eagle is very quick in catching its prey. Now match the sentences with the pictures that illustrate them. Now first one, the eagle is a solitary creature. What is the meaning of that? Close to the sun in lonely lands. That is the picture for first one. And the picture for the second one is, and like a thunderbolt he falls. And like a thunderbolt he falls. That is, the eagle is very quick in catching its prey. So with that, all the exercises are over, children. Now, I'll be sending you all the picture of all these. You copy it and study it. Thank you.